बच्चों आज हम आपको अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन की एक प्रॉब्लम को बताएंगे और ये प्रॉब्लम आपके कई सॉल्यूशंस को कई चीज़ें आपकी क्लियर कर देगी. द प्रॉब्लम इज लिटिल बिट कॉम्प्लिकेटेड बट इफ दिस टाइप ऑफ प्रॉब्लम कम्स देन यू मस्ट अंडरस्टैंड हाउ टू प्रोसीड. Problem is for 15th August celebration in office, a peon, I notified peon by P, has to fix some flags on a passage of VIP arrival. He has to fix 21 flags at equal distance of 2 meter. He can carry one flag at one time and the flags are placed at the center of the pathway in a question. All the flags, I mean you may say all the flags, that is I have written flags. How much distance P would cover in fixing all flags? Number 2 is maximum distance traveled by P. So let us draw a pathway. Let us draw a pathway. This is I am drawing a pathway. You may elongate it. This is simply homework you may draw in this. In mathematics, generally, if it is not geometry, then you can draw anything. And suppose this is the middle of the pathway. Middle of the path. Okay. So now there are 21 flags. This is middle. So let us start from the middle would be 11. So this would be the 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. So these are the flags I am just showing by the symbol. 5, this is 4, this is 3, this is 2, and here let it be at the beginning of the path it is 1. In the same way, from the middle to this side, this will be the 12. This is important. You must see this, how I am proceeding. 13, this is 14th flag, this is 15th flag, this is 16th flag, this is 17th. See what I am writing. This is 18th flag, this is 19th flag, this is, let me enhance this, increase this lines, this is 20th flag and this is 21. Now what is the question? Every flag has a 2 meter distance between other flag. I mean this is, if you see to this, let me change the ink. Okay, color. Okay, so these two have 2 meter distance, this 2 is again 2 meter distance, this 2 is again 2. Every flag is in between, I mean distance between two flag is always a 2 meter. 2 meter. Now all are compiled here. Okay, now what you find? It says he can carry one flag at a time. So if he is sitting at 11, then if he want to post flag number 10, then he will move 2 meter, then come back, I mean he has to travel 4 meters to fix the flag number 10. Okay, when he will go to the flag number 10, then he will come back, then it will be 4 meter. So now this is to be remembered by you people. This is very important. Okay, now 10th flag, for 10th flag he has to move 4 meter. Now come to the 9th flag. He will go and come back. I mean 2, this is 10, this is 2 meter away, this is 9, this is again 2 meter away. So this whole distance is 4 meter. So if we'll go to the 9th and come back, so it will become 8 meter. And in the same way, 8th flag, have it 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6, and again come back 2 plus 2 plus 2, so it will become the 12 meter. And analogy says 7th flag will be the 16 meter, 2 plus 2 plus 2, and 6th one is again add 4, because 2 is the difference between two flags, so 2 into coming back to 2, and already you added, so it will become the 20 meters. 5th is 24 meter. 4th is 28 meter. 3rd would be 32 meter. 2nd would be 36 meter, and 1st would be 40 meter. Now you find that from this side again 12, 13, 14, 15, the same thing will be repeated. So he has to move left side by 40 meter to fix 1 to 10 flags, and in the same way he has to move right side by 40 meters, because distance from both 11th flag is equal to both sides. So it will become again the 40 meter, 1 from 1 to 10 and 12 to 21. I mean again the 10 flags. 10 flags. It is again a 40 meter. 1 to 11 is already fixed, so 1 to 10, and from 12 to 21 is 40 meter. So total distance, first answer is total distance travelled by the peon is 40 plus 40, 80 meters to fix all 21 flags. Now the second part. Now coming to the first, see what is the question. Second part is saying maximum distance travelled by P. How much distance P would cover in fixing all flags? It is the 80 meters. Maximum distance travelled by P. This is an important, and you must remember the other formula. Where is the, yeah. Okay. So now you apply the formula of addition of terms. Addition of term is S is equal to n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. S is the total value from one side. This is the total one. I mean, what you have to do is you have to add 40 plus 36 plus 32 plus 28, and this is total distance. I mean, repeatedly he has to move, so this is the total distance. So Sn is your here on for left side. For left side n from 11th flag, n is equal to 10. C2 n is equal to 10, and a first distance traveled is the A is equal to 4, other was 8, third was 12, and in so way, and this is 40. So what we do, we add all this by this formula. S is equal to 10 upon 2, 2 into 4 plus and again 10 minus 1. Now what is D? D is 4. 4 between 2, distance between 2 coming and going is 4. Coming here and going back is 4. So D is 4 is equal to 4. So multiply it by the 4. Do it. This is 5. Okay. So this is 5. 4 into 2 is equal to 8 plus 9 into 4, 5, 8 plus 9 4 are 36. So it is equal to 5 into 8, 44, which is equal to 220. This is for the LHS. The same thing is, same position is for right side. So again the same, you have to repeat the same one. You repeat it, or by you may ultimately write 2s somewhere. So again S1 S2 is equal to 5 into 44. S1 is equal to S2 is equal to 220. So S1 plus 2S is equal to 220 plus 220 is equal to 440. The total sum of the distance traveled by the peon would be 440 meters. See the difference. Again, let me repeat the things. Again, let me start from very beginning. 10th flag, let me again do the same thing. For example, 11 is here, 10 is here. See, again I am repeating. He will go to 10 flag 2 meter. He will come to collect another flag, so he will come back 2. So total distance traveled between 2 flag is 4. So every other flag he has to repeat the same. For 9th, suppose it is 9th, he will come again to, he will go to 2, so it is 4 and it is already 4. So from 11 to 9 it is 8. This is I have written. Okay. From 8th to 8th, 10th flag to 11. So, okay, I let me 9 to 11, 8 to 11, 7 to 11, 6 to 11, 5 to 11. So, distance will add up by 4 every time. So, this is how we proceed. Distance to the peon will be 40 plus 48. Now, the other part I have told you, when he is asking sum of the distance traveled by the peon would be, you have to apply the addition formula, which is 2s is equal to n in this way. So, s is equal to n upon 2 to a plus n minus 1 d. You apply this for one side and the same side. What I have done, I have taken n is equal to 10 only. I am not taken n is equal to 20. We can take this, but to clarify, you have to write for the, for the examination purpose, you have to write n is equal to this one. So this is how you proceed, and this is how you proceed for the long problem. This is the arithmetical problem with the language. Some literature is there. Sometimes what we do, they simply write down 4, 8 and 4 and 12 and this, and you add and do all the business. But in this type of cases, when there is something language with the question, then you have to proceed in this way. Okay, so take care. Bye. Thank you.